The lights are flashing. It's on. One tap. One tap is on. This is a 32-ounce bottle. Look at that. Look how fast it fills up this 32-ounce bottle. This video, I'm going to go over how to set up this silent water dispenser pump from the company Redsack. So if you're like me and you get some of these 5-gallon kind of jugs like this and you just want to be able to get the water out a little faster, this is what I recommend for you. Let me just go over the box and show you, because I've already been using it. I got it out here. It is fully charged. I have one of the bottles here. It's ultra silent. It's high volume, 5 seconds a glass, multi-adaptive, so it can go from 5.7 up to a 11-liter bottle. You can kind of see the different types of fittings right there. Fully chargeable for use. Already did that. Great for kitchen, living room, office, bedroom. If you like, I keep one in my shed right here. Rated capacity is a 2,000 milliamp battery inside of this. 3.7 volts. Power on. Now this is where you want to pay attention to power this thing on. To hold the button down right here for 2 seconds, the indicator light will turn on for 2 seconds. Press and hold 2 seconds. The indicator light will flash for 3 times. That's to turn it off. Charging, fully charged, low battery. It's got a lights flickering, pressing button. But you know what? Let me just show you what you get inside this. So it came in this little box right here. It has this little kind of adapter piece right here and a USB-C cable. What I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and put all this together, and I'll show you guys filling up my water bottle here. I have one of the Fit Odysseys, the XT Simple bottle. So this is my favorite water bottle too. Check out how that works right there. You can take the top off and it's got a straw. So let's go ahead, let's get this thing set up and I'll show you in action. Okay, you're going to take this little adapter piece right here, just slide it down on there like that, and then kind of feed the hose down inside of here like this. It will kind of just float all the way down, and then this locks on like that. I got a little bit of water spillage right there. When you want to use it, let me move you up a little higher. So when you want to use this thing, hold the button for 2 seconds. 1, 2. The lights are flashing. It's on. One tap. One tap is on. This is a 32-ounce bottle. Look at that. Look how fast it fills up this 32-ounce bottle. I love the quick on and off. Almost no drip on and off. Very clean. Super. That's 32 ounces that quick. I don't want to keep wasting all my water. This stuff's not the cheapest. Let me pour this back in there and let's do that again. Okay, let me test this thing one more time. By the way, you can just pull this whole system on and off. Let's turn it on again. Oh, it's still on. Y'all see that? That is fast. Quick stop. If I want to turn it off, I hold the button down. Double flashing. It's off right now. This is super fast. It's very quiet. It's dry. I don't see any problems with this thing at all. I think this is a great option for anyone that's just using one of these water bottles like this. I've used some of those other pumps in the past where it's just kind of like barely, it's either a pump like that or it's just like a slow kind of drip on it, and it didn't work anywhere near as good as this Redsack right here. I highly recommend this thing. I've been using it off and on for around about a month now and been very impressed with it. So yeah, there it is, everybody. That's all I got on the, the Redsack silent dispenser pump. See you on the next video.